And now for the letter A. A with the ah and the a sound. The letter A. A is for Alex. Alex. Can you say Alex? A is for Anna. Can you say Anna? Very good. A is for and. Can you say and? A is for at. Can you say at? A is for apple. Apple. Can you say apple? Very good. A is for add. 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 Can you say add? A is for again. Can you say again? Again. Very good. A is for after. After. Can you say after? A is for alive. Alive. Can you say alive? Alive. Very good. A is for arrive. Arrive. Can you say arrive? A is for awake. Can you say awake? Very good. So with the A sound, the A with the A sound, can you say able? Able. Very good. A is for April. 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 Can you say April? A is for age. Age. Can you say age? Very good. A is for bake. Bake. A. Bake. Can you say bake? Very good. Gate. A is for gate. 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 A is for plate. 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 Can you say plate? Very good. That's the letter A.